Hi, I'm Mitch Scharf with MarineMax Kent Island aboard a new trade of ours, a 2013 Sea Ray 260 Sundeck, which sits upon a 2013 Venture tandem axle trailer with brakes. The 260 Sundeck was one of the most popular models that Sea Ray ever made, and I'm going to show you some features as to why. First of all, here aft we have a nice twin lounger. This is what people like the most about this boat. In most cases, you've got a nice swim platform with brand new deck matting that was just installed. You have a large walk-through. Here you have a nice insulated cooler, which everybody likes. Step down into the cockpit. Nice L-shaped seating. This boat comes with two tables, one for the bow and one for the cockpit. You've got a nice wet bar with sink. Your stereo head unit is under here. This is an upgraded Fusion stereo system with remote unit here at the helm. This boat has a nice Humminbird Helix 5 GPS chart plotter fish finder. The boat has 295 hours. We've got flip up bolster helm seat and passenger seat. Here we have a very nice large pump out head with sink. So pretty much anybody can fit inside that head compartment. You've got a wind door here. So when you close the windshield, you can block off all the wind. Dedicated storage for the tables, trash receptacle as well. Here at the helm you have tilt steering. You have trim tab controls, analog gauges, as well as a SmartCraft gauge system here. Through the walkway you have your bow, which is a very large area, so you can fit quite a few people up here. You've got the armrests, two nice loungers. There is a nice anchor compartment and built-in cooler as well. You have a bow and an aft sprayer, and you even have a bow ladder here that folds out. So basically this is your 2013 260 Sundeck with 5.0 Merc Cruiser multi-port injected 260 horsepower engine, and feel free to come down and take a look.